interrupted with the Lockcontroller Library DLL blocking localized security orchestration workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin the manual steps for Lockcontroller Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Lockcontroller Library, a generic lock and access controller. Frequently associated with hardware security or license management, it manages unmanaged routines for locking and unlocking software features. It facilitates the orchestration of secure data link manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Lockcontroller is installed as part of Localized Security Orchestration and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest official version of Localized Security Orchestration from the official source will restore the correct version of Lockcontroller Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Lockcontroller Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Lockcontroller Library DLL. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Lockcontroller Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Lockcontroller Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.